Creamy, delicious tangerine pie. In a large bowl, mix the flour with sugar and baking powder. Add the butter and mix it until form the crumbs. Add the eggs and form the dough. Do not over-knead the dough. We need a sandy crust. Put the dough in a 25-centimeter pan and spread the dough in the pan. Put the pan in the fridge for 30 minutes. In a large bowl, add the eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, sour cream, cornstarch, and mix with a whisk. Arrange the tangerine slices into the pan. Pour the cream over and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Leave the pie to cool and decorate with tangerine slices and mint. That's it! Super easy, delicious, and creamy tangerine pie. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps, and we'll see you in the next video.